I hope you all are doing well. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's start to make Chinese rice. 1½ cup oil. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 2 eggs. 300-gram chicken cubes. 1 cup chopped carrot. 1½ cup cabbage. 1 tablespoon Chinese salt. 1/2 tablespoon salt. 1 tablespoon red chili flakes. 1 tablespoon black pepper. Mix it well. 1 tablespoon black cumin zira. 2 teaspoon mustard powder. Mix it well. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 water. 1 cover until water will be boiled. 1/2 cup green capsicum. At this point, add rice. Cover it for 5 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. Please share your opinion in the comment section.